I'll be showing you step by step how to set an item as out of stock in Shopify. So let's start from our Shopify dashboard here. And what you want to do is you want to go to the specific product you want to set out of stock. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to click on products. And from there, I'm going to select the outdoor camping bag product. Now, if I first click on preview at the top here, we can see this item is in stock and I can add it to my cart. So it's purchasable by any customer. But if I go back to the products tab here, the way we're going to set this as out of stock is to change the inventory to 0 and not let anyone purchase when there is no inventory available. So if I scroll down here, I'm going to zoom in a little bit just so it's easier to see. But under inventory, I want to go to track quantity. I want to make sure continue selling when out of stock is not checked off. So next I can see the locations this is available just on one location here. I can see unavailable, committed, available, and on hand. So what I want to do is change the available to 0. This will update the quantity here and I can see nothing is available or on hand to be sold. Next, let's go to the top right here and I'll click on save to finalize these changes. And if I go back to my product page and I reload it, I can see instead of saying add to cart, it now says sold out and I don't have the ability to add this to my cart anymore as I've now set it out of stock. So customers are no longer able to add it to their cart and then purchase from my store. Before I go, I want to say that if you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. That's where our sponsored Profit Calc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, as well as a ton of different details, analytics, and metrics. And it's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as many other cost of goods sold integrations. This is going to let you make smarter business decisions as you'll have a true understanding of how much profit your store is actually generating. You can get a 15-day free trial to test everything out for yourself, and there's a link in the description below. You can also find it on the Shopify App Store and just look for this logo in the top left here for Profit Calc. So this concludes the video here. It is a short and sweet one. So essentially to set an item out of stock in your store, you want to go to the inventory and then set the inventory to 0. And you want to make sure the continue when selling out of stock is not checked off. Now you can do this for each and every product you're looking to set as out of stock, but that is the overall process. This concludes the video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.